These are the crispiest fries, and with the perfect garlic and cheese sauce. I will start this recipe using 3 potatoes already peeled, and I will cut in half and into smaller pieces, this way. That done, I will pour the potatoes into a pan with low heat. Then I will add water until it covers our ingredients. I will add a teaspoon of salt and mix. Now let it cook for 20 minutes. After the time, I will remove the potatoes from the pan and pour into a bowl without water. With the help of a potato masher, I will mash everything very well. Write down everything for you to do in your home later. The taste will surprise you. That done, I'll add 100 grams of cornstarch, followed by a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. I will mix everything very well, incorporating the ingredients into the potato dough. To facilitate this process, I will mix using my hands. In the meantime, tell me which city you watched so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Alay Mendonza from Vancouver. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I will use a plastic bag, where I will open it and I will put our mixture inside, spreading it so that it is in a uniform way, just as I am doing. Once this is done, take the refrigerator and leave for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan with low heat, I will add a tablespoon of butter, and I will spread it so that the butter melts completely. Next, I'll add 3 cloves of garlic. I'll spread it so it fry well. Now I will add a teaspoon of cornstarch and 100 milliliters of milk. I'll mix it up again. I'll add a teaspoon of sugar, and I'll mix it all up again. Finally, I will add 3 slices of mozzarella cheese. And I will mix it again while melting the cheese, turning into a uniform mixture. Done that, with our mixture in this consistency, I will pour into a container so I can serve myself soon. Ready the sauce, and after the time of the refrigerator, I will remove our previously made dough, removing the plastic bag. I will cut everything into the shape for our potatoes, cutting into equal slices, then cutting in half. That done, we go to the next step. In a pan with low heat, I will add oil, use in sufficient quantity to fry the potatoes. With the oil hot, I'll add them to fry. It is important to be aware of the frying process, as it does not take long for our recipe to reach the ideal point. That done, I will remove from the pan, to finally taste this incredible recipe. I'll eat the potatoes by the sauce. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you so much for joining us here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.